This video is going to show how to install the quick mounts to a motorcycle with a detachable backrest. While the bike used is a Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage, the installation is the same across all makes and models of bikes with a detachable backrest. This video is a supplement to the quick mount installation video, and it should be watched in its entirety first. The quick mount's docking post sits in front of or to the outside of the docking hardware for the detachable backrest. The long bolt supplied with the quick mount kits goes through both parts. Attach them to the front hole. If a nut was supplied with the hardware, attach the nut inside the fender. Repeat the process using the bolt through the quick mount docking post, backrest docking hardware, and secure to the rear hole. Torque both to factory specifications. With this setup, you can use both the detachable backrest and the saddlebags, or just the backrest or just the saddlebags, or you can leave everything off and have the bike look stock. Again, please watch the quick mount installation video for complete installation instructions.